Hi, this is Cousin Russ. This is a follow-up to earlier video that I did on how to cite a Canadian census record. Now, since I made that video, one of the users gave me an example of a Canadian census record, and I'm going to work with this census record and see if we can't figure out how to maintain and create the citation and which template to use. This is the census page that I was given, and I want to draw your attention to the source citation that Ancestry provides and the source information that Ancestry provides. And I want to point out this piece that says original data and where it came from. And I referred to this in the previous video as we need to cite the source of the source. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this information and we're going to make a citation for that in Family Tree Maker. So I'm going to go to the sources workspace, and in fact I've already done it, but I want to review again what I did. I clicked on add, I clicked on new, and I typed in CEN for census. And if I look down through my options of templates to choose from, I come back to this database online, a census derivative. So that is the choice that I have of all the templates that are in Family Tree Maker that deal with citation. So I'm going to cancel this because I've already filled it out so you don't have to put up with my lousy typing. And I'm going to bring up that census record. And I want to move it over here so that I can bring the census record so you can see them side by side. So I need to adjust my screen here a little bit. So, and I can't do what I want to do. Maybe I can. I can't do it. I can't do it side by side. But anyhow, I'm going to bring up the edit screen because remember that the record that I was looking at, where did I get the information and what am I looking at, was from Ancestry.com. That's the compiler of the data that I am looking at. It's nothing from Canada. I'm looking at a record from Ancestry.com. Their database was the 1891 Census of Canada. The website creator owner is Ancestry.com. Actually, it's Operations Inc. The website is Ancestry.com. The URL is Ancestry.com. And the database, and I'll bring that other screen back in a minute, where it was created in 2008. And this is the quick model that I put into the database. Now, I'm going to click OK because that is the template that I'm using. And it's going to bring me up to this screen that has that's the site, that's the template, and I'm going to put notes. Now I copied the information from Ancestry.com, the screen that I showed you a few minutes ago, and I put it in the notes because what I'm going to cite, the source of the source, is this right here. That is the source of the source. I got it from Ancestry.com. Ancestry.com got it from Canada. So I'm going to just copy that. I highlighted that text and I hit Control C, go over here, and I'm going to have accessed 19 May 2014, citing, which is what I showed you before, and I'm going to paste that text right there. So what that's doing is citing the source of the source. Now, record for, that is what the record was for. I click OK. And it didn't fill out here, so I'm going to, it takes a second for it to, because I've got a number of things running here. There we go. There it is. That didn't come in, so I'm going to type it again, access. (19 May 2014), citing, and there's the text. So there is my citation that I would have links to the person involved, and there is the citation that would be in Family Tree Maker for any record that is linked to this. So in this case, as in Evidence Explained, in that quick sheet, was the compiler is the lead reference. That is the best of my understanding about how this template is to be used. And you see that it says Ancestry.com, their record. It's an online database from Ancestry.com Operations Inc., their website, accessed May 25th, 19 May 2014, citing Library and Archives Canada, Census of Canada, 1891, Ontario, Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, Library and Archives Canada, 2009. So that gives me all the information, gets me back to the original record. But the record that we were looking at is from Ancestry. Ancestry's all over the place. Yes, there's an image there, but the original data was here. But this is the citation we use. I didn't get it from here. I got it from Ancestry.com. So I believe, to the best of my knowledge and skill level, that would be the reference node to be used for that record. I would be happy to, if somebody says that I'm wrong, I'd be happy to post this to Evidence Explained website and let the editor, Elizabeth Schoen Mills, help me understand what I've done incorrectly. I know a couple things already that before I submit it, I will reformat the date down here, because the date, according to the way it should be done, should be within this parentheses, after Ancestry.com space : space accessed, and before I submit it, I will do that, because she's already taught me that little lesson. But anyhow, that is my understanding of the template for Canada. Okay, I hope that helps. Not sure that's the answer that my reader wanted, but that's okay. I'll be glad to discuss it, and I'll be happy to take it to the expert, Elizabeth Schoen Mills at evidenceexplained.com. She has a wonderful user forum where we can ask questions and post our understanding, and she'll be happy to help us. At least she has to me in the past. Thank you. Have a great day.